Hi, this is John from RogueMechanic. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the things that will help me ID your Mavic wheels. The first piece of information that I need is a serial number. This is located on the front and rear rim near the valve hole. If your wheels are 2008 and newer, the format is going to look like this. In addition to the serial numbers, pictures also help. Specifically, pictures of the rear hub taken from above the non-drive side so that I can see both hub flanges like this. A picture of the front hub will also be helpful if you're looking for front spokes. Finally, a photo of the complete wheel and one of the rim showing at least a couple spokes can also be helpful. Having this information will help me navigate the sometimes confusing process of determining the specific parts you need for your particular Mavic wheel. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video helps. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.